After all the components have been inspected, attach the adapter to the facepiece. With the facepiece locking clip in the 12 o'clock position, align the two flat sections of the outlet port with the flat sections on the facepiece port, and insert. Rotate the facepiece adapter counterclockwise until the facepiece locking clip snaps into place in the facepiece retainer notch. Attach the cartridges to the adapter. To install, align the cartridge with the housing. It is keyed to fit only one way. Turn clockwise until it clicks into place. The other cartridge also turns clockwise onto the adapter. If you are using a cartridge that utilizes an end-of-service life indicator, install the cartridges and follow the instructions for use included in the respirator operation and maintenance manual. When installed correctly, the arrows on the body of the filter will align with the bullseye target on the adapter.